Want proven business ideas with low investment? With every guru selling a get-rich-quick scheme on their favorite business model, it's easy to get overwhelmed and stuck. I've worked with all kinds of businesses over the last 26 years, and I have nothing to sell you. So here's my unbiased view of what won't work for you and why. Then I'll share my favorite business idea to get you to 10K a month and beyond. First, I suggest you avoid these high failure rate business models. Selling a product is difficult, whether it's an info product like a course, a physical product via e-com or stores, an app that you code. All of these products take a long time to develop before you get paid. And the hard part is really in the mass marketing, which we'll come to in a second. You could skip the product development by using someone else's product, like we see in drop shipping or network or affiliate marketing, where you take someone else's product and you sell it. The problem is you give up the unique product and everyone is trying to sell the same thing. And the mass marketing is still the hard part. Reaching a lot of people and building an audience is expensive and time consuming. There's a reason The Rock can go and launch any product he wants because he already has the audience to market it to. If you're starting with zero audience, then it's very difficult. So I suggest you start a service business. 10 clients paying you $1,000 a month gets you to your 10K goal. You might notice that there are not a lot of guru businesses with massive audiences. However, there sure are a lot of accounting, marketing, graphic design, IT, and cleaning businesses. When starting a service business, you probably want to think about scale and replacing yourself from doing the actual work at some point. So are you offering a low skill or a high skill service? In a low skill business, like a cleaning business, it might be easier to train people to come up and do the cleaning, but you'll have challenges around getting them to show up on time and doing a good job, but more competition because lots of people can start that business quite easily. In a high skill business, like a dentist's office, then it's harder to train the person. They have to study for years, but you'll have less competition because of the barrier to entry. So if you're a dentist, it's going to be harder to find someone to replace you, and they might want to go off and start their own dentist office as well. Based on the service you choose to deliver, you can think about how easy or difficult it will be to scale. So here's how to start it with low investment in 3 steps. 1, learn the skill yourself. 2, market it by reaching out to potential clients. 3, make sales easier in the beginning by discounting your service as you practice your selling skills. You can start with a skills audit that you can learn in my next video, so you can avoid the high failure rate of most businesses and get to 10K a month and beyond faster.